Hey guys, it's Airsoft here, and right now we're going to be doing an unboxing of my CM16 Raider, which is my new gun for CQB that I got. So I'm just going to be doing this. I'm doing this one-handed, and I've already opened this before, so here we go. We got the construction manual, all that stuff. We got 1,000 rounds of perfect spherical ball pellets, which are also known as BBs, 1,000 shots. Pretty good BBs. We got one 450 round magazine, wand. We got a 9.6 nunchuck battery, 1600 milliamps. Got a battery. It's just a standard battery. Now we got a cleaning rod, which I haven't taken out yet. Cleaning rod right here, and onto the gun. Move this out of the way. The gun right here, maybe you can see. And since I did buy this gun, I got a free bungee sling. Really sweet 1-point bungee sling. Okay. And then we have the CM16 Raider right here. Really nice gun. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. See you later.